To work the Ladderback Jacquard stitch, bring both yarns forward and purl using your contrast color. Return both yarns to the back and work your next 4 stitches in the colorwork sequence. Bring both yarns forward again and purl once again using the contrast color. That is literally all there is to working the stitch, bringing both yarns forward, purling with one, bringing both yarns to the back, and continuing knitting your colorwork sequence for 4 stitches. After completing your last round of colorwork and you want to eliminate the extra stitches, just knit them together with the stitch after them in your colorwork sequence. This will bring that purl stitch to the back of your work, and it will disappear, leaving you with just your finishing color.